The blocker lines are important to us because during a night shift, we get 4 to 5 hours of green time. That's not enough sufficient time to be able to do this work. We do need a full 4 days to be able to remove all the road crossing, the pedestrian crossings, use a tamper machine to go all the way through, lift and pack that track to the correct geometry, lay it back down with the panels in the middle of the road and also the asphalt, repaint the road and reopen the road back again.
Blocker lines, new trains, so you get a lot more time on track to do what you got to do. Quality over quantity, really. Yeah.
Challenging part is obviously we do need a blocker line, so no trains, and we also need to close the road to all traffic. So this road is closed for 4 days. The members of the public do have to go around to other roads, which does cause a bit of congestion. We understand that, but it's necessary to keep the track in a safe operating condition. Something like this is normally 3 to 4 months of planning. We do try and give as much notice to the public as we can with the road closure. Sometimes that's very hard to do because we might find an issue on the railway that's quite urgent, and unfortunately sometimes we do have to do emergency road closures.